Hello, my name is Ken Carson, one of the owners here at Xybix, and this video is about what to expect when you invited us over for a meet and measure. Meet and measure, we call it an M&M around here, and it's we come and obviously meet with you and measure the room. So let's go into more details about it. Let's start out with the measurements in the room. Very important that we get this laid out correctly and we know everything is. So we'll come in and we've got awesome laser measure, all kinds of neat things that goes to our iPad, helps get the room designed correctly. We do, however, prefer if you've got Revit, AutoCAD, a nice PDF of the room. If you've got that, that's a great head start for us. We'll still double check all the measurements. So that's a great starting point. Next, we want to come in and kind of get a feel of the room. Like the young people say, let's check the vibe of your room. Let's see how your people work. We're gonna need people need to be adjacent to each other. Any issues you have, it's too noisy here. They can't see stuff over there. Let's work on that, and that'll be part of the design when we get to that. We also want to go through all your equipment and make sure we get that right. Computers are shrinking. Do you have small form factor computers? Monitors are growing. Are you going to be going to maybe a 50-inch screen or 242s or something like that? Let us know so we can start incorporating that into the size of the station to make sure it all fits in the room. The next question we got is who should be involved? Obviously, we want director, supervisor, somebody like that there to walk us around and explain to us what's going on in the room, and so we can talk to you and learn as much as we can. It's also nice if we can talk to IT if they're there, ask them questions about cables, the computers, the monitors like we talked about for any issues they have. And then of course, your line people that are working on the floor, we're gonna chat with them a little bit casually and just see what they like about their current furniture, what they don't like, what they like about their current layout, what they don't like, see what we can do to make sure they get well taken care of. How long does this last? Well, usually between 45 minutes to an hour and a half, and occasionally a little bit longer if you've got a big center, or if we all like to talk, maybe we'll go even longer. Once we get all that information, we're pretty well wrapped up. Your salesperson is going to take that and get it to our design team here at Xybix headquarters, and it's going to get assigned to a specific designer. All our designers are interior designers, they're professionals, and they're going to take all that information and start building up your first layout, which we call Rev 0. They're going to contact you while they're making Rev 0, and then when you get Rev 0, the expectation is let's go through it together online, talk about it, and come up with ideas. So we'll do a Teams meeting. You'll talk to the salesperson, the designer. You'll be watching the designer screen, and they can move, change, add, whatever you need as they're going along to make sure this works out just right for you. The layout is super important. You're gonna have a good layout, it's gonna last you 15, 20 years. If you have a bad layout, you're gonna regret it in the first year or two. So let's take our time making sure we get it just right. So that's a summary of our meet and measure, our M&M. So if you have any questions about that or anything else, hit us up. We're here to help.